All right, so we're at MAP Proving Grounds. If you guys missed the last video, that was day one. Super, super fun. It is hectic out here with like the trains and everything. Like people crash, they're just like, go, go, go. They send more people, don't even check on them. But everybody was like, just do the burnout contest. I was like, you know what? Why not? We're gonna take this thing out. I got a brand new set of Federal tires on it, some 305s. So I wanna definitely check out some other cars. I don't know what else to say. Let's get into it. This place is freaking crazy, bro.
It's so nice out there.
So it's like mostly tuning cars, but like, yeah, autocross, time attack, drag racing, all that stuff. Oh, look at this thing. Did it have something else in it before?
Yeah, it had a KAT in it.
Oh, nice.
Posh 530.
No air filter?
No air filter.
Mesh?
No power steering.
Animal, dude. You been having a good weekend?
I broke the lower control arm. Completely snapped it in half.
Oh.
I'm hoping to do night drifting.
Awesome.
More of these stickers, dude.
I know I do.
You only got one event on your car? Hey, you were at that one.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, you were.
Braking lower.
I was there. That one was awesome. First experience. Yep, you're seeing that right. Freaking LS and a Subaru. And somebody was saying it's all-wheel drive too still, which is like ridiculous. What else we got in the line? Lifted pickup truck. Who's Nance? Oh, nice. Drift car entering. Makes sense. Another pickup truck. Hell yeah. What? Oh, the shift light on the hood too. Sick. That is our competition. We're gonna do our best. I don't know if I've ever really done a burnout contest.
I don't think I've ever seen one even.
All right, here we go. So we're like pretty much last in line because I want to watch a couple of these guys and show you guys. This is about to get freaking sick.
You want to see some burnout? Are you ready? Yep. All right, we'll walk you out onto the front.
They're starting to spark at the end. That was awesome.
We did this once before, I think.
She's hot. Super hot. All-wheel drive. Let's go. That was actually so sick.
That we've been looking for. All right, Josh, you got the Dodge Dakota back. Give him a show, Josh. Give him a show.
It's a go.
Let's go! in and where are you from?
Scottsdale, Arizona.
Ooh, out of Arizona. Well, I'm assuming you're one of the drifters, right, Matt?
Yep.
Okay. You know what a burnout contest is about? You're here tonight to do it. You ready to deliver?
Let's do it.
You guys want to see Matt?
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? Where it mounts to the pump. Yo! Was it good?
I know who first place is.
Gotta get something.
We're going to start with the runner-up, and then we'll go to the winner. Our runner-up is Josh. Hey, Josh.
We didn't get runner-up.
$500 cash and the trophy. Oh, the anticipation is killing me. With a Halberd, come on out. You number one winner.
Damn it, I needed that. The only reason I signed up for this was because these guys said I could win money, and I was like, well, we have to win, otherwise I just spent money. I am negative, unless this video gets a ton of views and you guys can buy a bunch of merch. I am negative from this video. I love it. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, check out this video, and we're gonna get back out and do some drifting. Peace.